Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable both the dark mode and eye comfort mode on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. Dark mode changes most of the apps of your phone to a different display mode. Instead of black text on a white background, it will display white text on a black background. It saves your battery because displaying black color doesn't use power for the display because each pixel is lit up individually since it's an OLED display. And also saves your vision. It's more comfortable, especially at night. The eye comfort mode only saves your vision, and it's also most comfortable at night because it will make the display colors warmer. But they will be warmer, so they won't be really conform to truth. They won't be perfectly exact as they should be displayed because they will be warmer. So you can use either of these modes or both at once, or use them only at night. When you go to the settings and display and brightness, you can find dark theme. When you enable that, you can see this is what it changes to. I'll switch back to light theme for a moment because I want to show you the eye care mode. When I turn it on, it makes the display warmer. I'll turn the brightness down a little bit because I think that way it'll be more visible how it changes. You can see now it's colder, now it's warmer. When I click on it, I can set it to even warmer. And yeah, I could set it on a schedule, and that's what I like to do. I set a custom schedule or sunset to sunrise, and it's just going to automatically turn it on when it's time for it. I'll switch it off for now. And you can also set the dark theme or set it on a schedule. Now it's set on that schedule. So light theme will turn on at 6 AM and dark theme will turn on at 10 PM, or I could change the hours. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.